If you are a complete beginner and want to make money from home, in this video, I'll show you 9 easy ways to make money with Canva that actually work. Canva is a website that you can use for free as a beginner. It has everything you need for your designs built right in. You have access to lots of free photos, graphic elements, fonts, and design features. I'll also tell you some cool things about Canva that you might not know. In the end, I will also provide you with 2 free courses where you can learn everything you need to get started from scratch, so make sure to watch the video till the end. One way to make money with Canva is by creating list pins for Pinterest. List pins are great for earning money through affiliate commissions. For example, if you search for home decor ideas on a budget on Pinterest, you'll find list pins ranking high in the results. These pins showcase a list of home decor ideas on a budget. List pins like these do well on Pinterest because they're visually appealing and pique the reader's curiosity. When you click on these pins, they usually lead to a blog page. Inside the blog, you'll find affiliate links to products you can buy. This method can earn you a surprising amount of money. For instance, one affiliate marketer made over $20,000 a month from Pinterest. She uses Canva to create her list pins. She has a template and changes the text, photos, and graphics from Canva's library to create more pins and scale her income. Making quote videos is a great way to make money on TikTok. For instance, consider this TikTok account that was created just 4 months ago. They posted popular videos like discussing a scene from popular movies or talking about myths, facts, and science experiments. This account found trending topics on Tumblr and turned them into mobile videos with an AI voiceover. They made a lot of money from TikTok's creativity ad program. This program pays out 50 cents to $1 per 1,000 views for videos that are at least 1 minute long. So, their quote video, which got over 900,000 views, earned them about $450 to $900. It's surprisingly easy to make quote videos in Canva because there are many pre-built video templates to choose from. You can pick one that matches your style and replace the text and background video. Instead of finding quotes online like that person did, you can use ChatGPT to generate new and interesting stories or theories to post in your videos. If you go to Canva and search for quiz videos, you'll find many different templates to create your own quiz videos quickly. You can use these videos to earn money from affiliate commissions. For instance, look at this TikTok account that makes quiz videos. It's quite new, only 2 months old, but it already has over 100,000 followers. Their videos are simple quizzes for people learning and practicing English. Now, in their bio, they have a link to a page with affiliate links to English learning courses and eBooks. It's an amazing strategy. Making quiz videos with Canva is easy. Just pick a template and change the graphics and questions to fit your niche. If you're not sure what questions to ask, you can use ChatGPT to generate them. The free version of ChatGPT is really good at coming up with great quiz questions. The next way we can make money online using Canva is by creating and selling eBooks. An ebook is like a digital book that people can read. It could be about anything, like a recipe book or a beginner's guide to gardening. Your first step is to decide on the topic and content for your book. If you're stuck, you can use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas or learn more about a topic. Once you have your ideas, you can use ChatGPT to help you write the content or refine what you've written. When you're ready, you can copy and paste your content into Canva to create the ebook. Most ebooks are made in the US letter size, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. In Canva, you can format your ebook by changing things like the font, spacing, colors, and adding graphics. You can get creative and make it unique. Then, you'll download it as a PDF so people can print it or read it digitally. You can sell your ebook as an instant download on platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. Ebooks are a great product because you only have to create them once, and then they can sell over and over again, earning you passive income. On Etsy, digital posters are among the most popular products that customers love to buy. They can print them at home and create their own DIY wall art. For example, there's a set of funny downloadable posters estimated to have made over $50,000 by the Etsy research app Alera. Inside Canva, there are many pre-made templates for posters to help you design and create your own. Plus, there's a handy feature for exporting printable designs like posters. When you print them, they'll be high quality and look vibrant. Just click Share and then Download. Choose the PDF for printing option under File type. This is another type of digital product that has many different topics and customers you could create it for. You could make things like a productivity planner, an event planner for weddings or Christmas, or even a habit tracker. Your first step is to do some research and decide what you want to include in your tracker. You can get ideas from similar products on Etsy, Pinterest, or Canva's template library. Think about what content you want and how you want it to look. Next, you'll start creating it in Canva. You can choose the size of your project and use features like Canva's table options, or look for graphics like checklists in the Elements section. Once you're done, you'll download it as a PDF or file type that's popular for planners. Then, you'll list it as an instant download in your shop. These are quick and easy digital products that people can grab, print, and use right away. That's why they're so popular and can be a good way to earn money from home. You may not know how much I enjoy using Canva to create clothing designs because it simplifies the process with its millions of pre-installed graphics and visual elements. For instance, if you search for t-shirt templates on Canva, you'll find many options to quickly create your own designs by changing the built-in graphics and text. Then, you can use a print-on-demand app like Printify, which offers various blank clothing items for customization. Simply upload your design and list it for sale in your online store at a market price. Alternatively, you can sell it on online marketplaces like eBay or Etsy, or on print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble or Zazzle. I personally use this business model to earn passive income online. Another way people use Pinterest is to find how-to guides. For example, if you search for how to create a budget, you'll see many pins designed to grab the attention of people looking for this information. When you click on the link in the pin, it takes you to a blog post with affiliate links for earning commissions from signups and purchases. Using this strategy, Pinterest creators can earn thousands of dollars a month in affiliate commissions. If you search for templates for how-to pins in Canva, you'll find many options. You can choose a design that matches your target audience and then customize it by changing the text and graphics. This might seem like a niche opportunity, but for the right person, it could be a great chance that few know about. On Canva, if you search for school lesson slides, you'll find many pre-made templates to customize for creating school lessons. Canva's creative team has made some cute ones that kids enjoy. There's a website called Teachers Pay Teachers, the largest online marketplace for teachers to sell classroom resources. If you're a teacher or an expert in a subject, you can use Canva to create engaging lessons and sell them for profit on this platform. If you want to learn how to create viral quote videos, or would you rather videos in detail using Canva, or how to create and sell Canva templates, then watch my next videos here on the screen. See you in the next video.